Welcome students to Logistics and Supply Chain Management. My name is Ankita Aran and I will be taking up this unit 1 where you would be understanding the supply chain management, its meaning, introduction, objectives, importance, conceptual model of SCM, SCM decision phases and processes, elements of SCM, logistics, inbound and outbound logistics. So, first of all, what is supply chain? Supply chain is a global network used to deliver products and services. The series of processes in the production and distribution of goods from when they are first made, grown, and until they are bought or used is completely known as supply chain. A supply chain is a network of companies and people that are involved in the production and delivery of a product or service. The components of supply chain include producers, vendors, warehousing, transportation, companies, distribution centers, and retailers. The functions of a supply chain include product development, marketing, operations, distribution, finance, and customer services. Today, many supply chains are global in scale. Thus, in simple words, a supply chain includes every step that is involved in getting a finished product or service to the customer. The steps may include sourcing raw material, moving them to production, then transporting the finished products to a distribution center or retail store where they may be delivered to the consumer. Examples of supply chain activities are farming, refining, designing, manufacturing, packaging, and transportation. Now, what are the different types of supply chains? Here, it is four-tier supply chain where manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer come together to provide the product to customer. Here, manufacturer and retailer are involved in providing product to the end customer. Here, manufacturer is directly selling to the customer. So these may be the types of supply chains. Now, what is supply chain management? Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw material into final products. It involves the active streamlining of businesses' supply side activities to maximize customer value and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. In this diagram, you can see that all the parties involved in supply chain management are working towards the satisfaction of customer. Supply chain management is the centralized management of the flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw materials into final products. By managing the supply chain, companies can cut excess cost and deliver products to consumer faster and more efficiently. Here, supplier provides raw material to manufacturer who then uses those goods in manufacturing unit and adds value to it and gives it to the distributor, and then distributor provides it to retailer and retailer sells the product to customer. So all are involved in providing a value to the customer. Critical elements of supply chain management are developing a strategy, sourcing raw material, production, distribution, and returns. Good supply chain management keeps companies out of headlines and away from expensive recalls and lawsuits. Thus, a supply chain manager is tasked with controlling and reducing costs and avoiding supply shortages. So what is the basic difference between supply chain and supply chain management? If you see, supply chain is a set of systems that show the flow of a good or service, information and finance, while supply chain management is handling of the entire production flow of a good or service to maximize quality, delivery, customer experience and profitability. Meanwhile, supply chain is all about the sourcing, purchasing, procurement, warehousing, distribution, and logistics. While supply chain management is all about how you manage all these things. So, supply chain is a narrower concept while supply chain management is a broader concept. How supply chain management works. Supply chain management represents an effort by suppliers to develop and implement supply chains that are as efficient and economical as possible. Supply chain covers everything from production to product development to the information system needed to direct these undertakings. It attempts to centrally control or link the production, shipment, and distribution of products. By managing the supply chain, companies can cut excess cost and deliver products to the consumer faster. This is done by keeping tighter control of internal inventories, internal production, distribution, sale, the inventories of company vendors. Thus, we have understood what is supply chain, what is supply chain management, and the difference between the two. In next session, we would be understanding the objectives of supply chain management, its importance, and conceptual models of supply chain management. Thank you.